What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Lebron Witness 6 Wolf Grey colorway. So let's check it out. As you can see on the first sample, it's very clear. You can see on the marking area, it's very clear that on the white embroidery here, the white line is connect with the midsole on the fake one. Then the authentic one, it has a lot more gap here, and also here. And don't forget the Nike swoosh on the fake one is slightly go down. It's the Nike swoosh on the fake one goes all the way down to the midsole. The authentic is slightly placed right in the middle. It has a gap between the Nike swoosh and the midsole. And another sample, still same. You can see the embroidery is connect with the midsole, and the Nike swoosh slightly go down. And another sample, still same. The Nike swoosh is a little bit darker on the fake one than on the authentic. And I think it's just same with another colorways. The flaws is just around here, the Nike swoosh and the white embroidery here. Again, another sample. You can see the embroidery and the Nike swoosh. Moving on the inside part of the shoes, on the marking area on the fake one, the midsole here, it's too far with the embroidery here. You can see there is a little bit gap on the fake one compared to the authentic. The authentic it's connect. You can see the embroidery is a little bit longer than on the fake one. You can see it's connect with the midsole. Another sample, you can see it's not connect on the fake one between the embroidery and the midsole, whereas on the authentic it's connect. Another sample again, you can see still same. The flaws is on here. Moving from above here, you can see on the tongue here is the color is different. On the fake one it's gray, on the authentic one it's white. Also the string here is also different. Another sample here, you can see the Nike swoosh is a little bit go down on the fake one compared to the authentic. Again, this one, the color of the material here on the tongue is gray, then on the authentic is white. And another sample again, the Nike swoosh slightly go down, the color is different. And moving on the back of the shoes, you can see on the right shoes here on the fake one, the line here, the line on the middle is not placed right in the middle, slightly to the right. And take a closer look, the color is different. It's a dark gray on the fake one. On the authentic it's a little bit lighter. I think it's white or light gray. And look at again on the fake one, the color is different. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can make another video just like this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.